Hello everyone. So today we'll understand what is scale minimum or scamming in a ECDIS. So as you can see on my ECDIS screen, now I have kept the scale minimum off. So as a result, the ECDIS screen is loaded with lot of information which I don't need it, especially when I am on a monitoring mode. During planning mode, you ensure that your scale minimum is off because during the route check process, it can help you understand what all the obstruction, what all major information you need during route planning. But in monitoring stage, you ensure your scale minimum setting is on to avoid clutter of information on the ECDIS screen. So let's see how you can go to the setting where you can select or unselect scamming. So I'll select display. So here you can see scale minimum is unselected. That is why you get lots of information on the ECDIS screen. So if I select it, you see this difference. Earlier there were a lot of information which were not required for me. Now it has filtered the information. So let's now understand how does scamming work. So you see this boy here. ECDIS is loaded with ENC. ENCs are basically Admiralty vector charts. So it is a vector chart. Vector means you will get layers of information. So this boy, suppose this is a boy, it is stored in a particular layer, and this depth, what you are saying 13.3, it is stored in a different layer. This land, what you see, it is stored in another layer. So every object on the ECDIS or AVCS system is loaded in a different layers, and they compile it and make a ENC. So what does scamming do is scamming makes or sets a zoom value for each object in the ENC. So when you zoom in or zoom out of the screen, as per the scamming setting of that object, you can see it on the ECDIS display. But when you keep the scale minimum off, irrespective of the zoom scale, you will see all the object on your ECDIS display. So this is the real difference of scamming on and scamming off. Thank you. See you next time.